tiger trout, baby. Oh yeah. Nice, dude. Oh, this little stream? Are you freaking kidding me right now? We're here. Little lamb. We're here with DK. We're fishing in Utah. Oh, Dalton brought us to this little spot. Let's see if we can snag a little rascal right out of the stream. So, stay tuned for some good action. Dalton with the first little rasky of the trip. Little Boski. Let's see, first cast. Whoops. Oh, Dalton got that one on camera right there, son. Toss her in there, lamb. Oh, farmed it. Dude.
That's alright. There you go.
Goes lamb. Don't whip it around, just pick it up and then throw it back in there. There you go. Oh, there you go, boy.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Relax.
Way too hard.
Okay.
Yeah, just a...
It came out.
Nice little Boski.
Yeah.
How's
Marvelous
it feel, lamb?
Shout out Marvelous Fish.
We got one. Took Jordan like 5 times longer than Dalton, but here we are.
You want some pliers?
That'll come out. There we go.
Bye-bye.
Let her free, Uncle Liam. Whopperoozy. Sheesh. There you go, Pony Boy. Alright. Reading the stream. Old Dalton. Just cast her right on top of him that time. So if you got it up a little farther. Oh yeah, watch it. Watch it on camera. Everybody. What is that little animal right down there? Is it still there?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see it. Oh, is it on the other side? Oh. It's right on top of that little bush. Spot number 2. Everyone caught a little fish, got out of the way. So we're seeing if we can catch something a little bigger. I'm gonna prop you up and see if we can get something. Alright, getting a little toasty. 9:30. Spot 2. Skunked. They're eating off the top a little bit. So we tried to get them, but no bites. Nothing deep. So we're gonna move to spot 3 for the day. Yeah, boy.
Where is it? Oh. What is that?
It's a jumping spider.
Oh.
He looks like he's ready to jump away.
He's ready to...
Spot numero 3. I just got out, went and checked out a little spot, see if it was going, and it's all blown out. And then this guy jumped out of his truck with his dogs, and freaking dog attacked me. Almost had to punt it into another world. So let's go. Oh yeah. Very nice. Dalton on the bar with a nice one. There's a little limb.
Look at nicely.
Dalton with another one. You. Nice broski. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Are we gonna break the tiger trout cuss today, boys and girls? Hard to tell. It's weird looking. Yeah. Come on, fighting like a freaking strong little rascal. Tiger. Yeah. I didn't bring. He might still win. I don't know. I didn't bring my net. Oh wait. Hard to tell. Ooh. Yeah. You freaking came here on that. Oh, tiger trout, baby! Look at that! Look at that, Don. Would you look at that? Curse is ended. Nice tiger. Into the depths. Yabba dabba dooba. Dalton's smashing them. Oh yeah, let's turn on the camera. We haven't caught one in a little bit. Dalton just caught one, but see if we can get one. Oh, almost missed that one. Yeah? Yeah, he had it underwater for a couple of seconds.
Really?
No shame here.
That's alright. Fish on.
He's tired already.
He grabbed mine. This one grabbed mine and then he just kind of gave up. He came straight at me.
Looks like a little boski as well. Liam, it's just as far as I can throw it out there. They're out there. Come over by me.
Over by Jordan.
It's not as steep. Come here. Nice bow. Nice little boski. Whoosh. Yeah. Nice bow. Oh. You know what I mean? Like, you see how it's out there? And I'm just gonna, like, kind of pull it out of the water and then watch it go back. And then. He's got it. If he's gonna lose it, he's gonna lose it. Nice, dude. Nice, Lamb. Nibbled on mine and then came over and smacked Liam's.
It's a rainbow.
Nice, dude.
Bye-bye.
Oh, did you lose everything?
No, just a bit.
How's that feel, Lamb?
Good. Finally catch one.
I don't know if we can consider that caught.
Oh, get back out there.
Oh no. It's no good.
Oh, that wind just.
Dude, I think it tried to eat my bobber.
He did.
He was on your bobber?
Yeah, he tried to take my bobber.
He had the bobber in his mouth too.
Yeah.
That's what.
I didn't catch that on video, but yeah, just had a fish eat my bobber. It's freaking nuts. They're freaking starving. They just want to be fed, Liam.
Feed him the food, Liam.
That was freaking crazy. I wish I had my freaking camera on.
It blew up on you.
Yeah. There we go.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Keep her on. Yes.
I just gave myself a little line burn.
Yeah.
Set it too hard.
No, from pulling it and holding it. Look at that little rasky. It's a cute little guy. Yeah, I'm gonna lose him. Trying to get out of this bush. The bushes are gonna be the end of us, boys. You got the chironomid. Oh, Boski. Nice. Yes, sir. Not as big as the one that tried to eat the freaking bobber. Oh, look at him slacklining it. He's trying to lose it.
Rod tip up. Keep it up. Don't drop it down. Okay.
He's trying to lose it, but the fish won't let him.
Trying to lose.
He's trying to slackline it.
There you go. Rod tip up.
Oh man. Let him fight it. William's trying to lose this fish, but it says no.
Well, you are.
I will get caught by Liam.
Was that scrub on the other end of the line? Rod tip up. I don't believe you. That's it.
You almost throw your net in the water. Oh, nice.
Nice little Boski. Look at that release, flawless.
He wanted to go back.
Wanted to go home. Spot number trace. I think we all caught 2 or 3 at least. Some nice ones. 1 tiger, 2 cutthroat, and the rest were bows. So we're gonna go another spot. My eyes all like tight. Yeah, I get a little minor, a big old tear in the tire right there. So got the repair kit, but I don't think she's gonna fit. So do a little switcheroo, get back on the road. Just like that, spare's on there. So let's go see what we can make happen. Oh, boys and girls. Is that same afternoon, day 1 still. Working our way down this little creek. Gonna see if we can get on some Arctic grayling. So Liam's behind me. Dalton's already down there. And see if we can get on him. Got off?
Yeah, you got off.
What was it?
Not a grayling.
What?
Not a grayling.
Okay.
Not a grayling.
Was it a grayling?
No.
Was it a rabbit?
Go.
What's up, little brookie? Pretty little brook trout. Oh, there he goes. William's got a nice little brookie on the fly. Oh, whoa.
Big.
Off the top. Yeah, I put on a split shot to get down that deep. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh, he's getting away. There he goes.
What's up, bro?
Dude, Grayling, are you kidding me right now? Tiger trout, curse broke. Grayling, are you freaking kidding me right now?
Knock him out, baby.
Rainbow trout, brook trout. We're 4 species up today. Are you kidding me?
Did you get a cutthroat?
No cutthroat yet.
Yeah, we'll get that.
Yeah, we're going for it. They stay underwater really well. No. I got him. I got it now. You want to just take a video of it?
Yeah.
If you click the screen, you can see it. Nice grayling right here, boys and girls. Super pretty fish. I had the video on that whole time, but I just harvested 3 flies, like a zebra midge, Frenchie, and almost like a prince nymph. off of that one little twig that I was just trying to get my fly off of, but then I got 3 flies out of it. So sweet. I didn't even see it when I broke off the twig. Me and Liam just switched spots, and I was like, just drop your ant right there. And then, oh, that's a cutthroat. Look at its jawline. All right, little recap. We're at spot number like 5, but 2 of the afternoon, and surfacing. Got some ants and see if we can get him. So let's get into some action. Oh, little recap of the last spot. Caught 2 grayling, a little brookie maybe, 2 brookies. Dalton and Liam both caught a couple cutthroats and rainbows, and there's a lot of stuff in that little river. So hopefully we can get some, maybe pick up a nicer fish or 2 in here. Okay, I'll get the big camera. Is it? Liam, don't be playing me like that, boy. Don't you play me like that. Not getting the big camera for a rainbow. Fish on. Double. What do you got? Little bow?
Yep.
Yeah. Nice little bow ski. Skinny little rascal.
Yes, dude, that was so sick.
Double up again. Are you kidding me right now?
Liam, that was such a sick eat, dude. That was sick, dude.
Did he destroy it or just...
He destroyed it. Absolutely destroyed it.
Nice brookie. Well, not nice, just a brookie. Yeah. No, don't go down there. See him down in that hole. Push his face back out. There he goes. Beautiful brook trout. I love me a brook trout. Very nice. Very nice.
He swung back at it.
Dalton got one. Oh. They keep eating. I think they keep eating my fly while I'm looking away.
Yeah, I gave it a twitch, George, and
Yeah.
he got hard.
I think it worked one time for me. It hasn't worked since.
What?
It hasn't worked since I did that one time. Another rainbow?
Yeah.
Good.
I just got light line. You are serious? Yeah, he rose for another one and then he came back for it. I wish I could give you the chance to actually use it. Good job.
This is the coolest lake.
On the old
All right, we're going back over by Dalton. He's got something that said we gotta go check out. So we're gonna go check it out. We've been catching. Liam's got a few. Dalton's got a few. I've caught a couple. These little just ants, which are pretty sick. Just eating some dry ice off the top. They're going pretty crazy still since we got here. It's been like 20 minutes, so let's go see what he's got. Look at him on his little perch over here. As he would say, log of destiny.
Okay, we need it either in the comments or we need it from an expertise. This does not look like a rainbow, but there are kokanee in here.
Oh.
It could be. I don't know.
Oh, geez.
Look. That's all right. Oh, there he is. Oh, come here, buddy.
Did he get away?
Nope. This does not look like a rainbow, but kind of does. So I'm kind of weirded out because he is, man,
Lively.
he is very lively. And look at his mouth. His mouth, his fins, everything is different than a rainbow. Man, this guy is squirrely.
What do we think, folks?
What do we think?
It's definitely a kokanee. Look at his eye.
His eye, like crazy. Here, George.
On the fly.
That's a kokanee.
It's a kokanee. New level unlocked.
New level unlocked, ladies and gentlemen. No
That's
longer,
crazy.
no longer a black character, but wow,
Let her free.
that's.
Got the little spots back there.
Do you see that?
On top.
Yeah.
But
Look at the mouth. Look at how silver it is. The eye, the mouth, everything.
it's got the
Oh, let's get you out there.
crazy on the fly too.
Daddy boy.
Who would have guessed? All right, boys and girls. That is the end of day one. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. We'll come in with day 2 tomorrow. Or next week. Day 2 is tomorrow. Bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing.